Oh, we got the top two deals or top gifts at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So this is down to 180 from 199. It's a HP brushless, one of the newer models, at least from my knowledge. Then you got what is that? A blower, a string trimmer for 207. They're from 229. This is kind of like a lower grade type of same thing with this one. 126 down from 139. I guess it's like a homeowner type style. The first one seems to be a little better. This one's 108 down from 119. It's trimmer, 18 bolts. And then you got the Echo Dots. These are great gifts. $22.99 and $17.98. If you got an elder person, somebody that can't get up, it's a great entertainment. Play music and all that stuff, weather and all that. It's just another great item to give out if they're receiving a TV. And then here's a discount, big discount on this one. I know this is a tool channel, but I'm just gonna get these over with. Just a few. This is a killer deal. It's a half price. It's down to $100. So, not this. This is a clearance item. So the it may vary depending on the store. So that's how much they cost. $239. So that is a newer one. And then you got the shop light, $85 down from 99 at 4 feet, 9,000 lumen. And then you got $28 down from 30. Some extension cords, 25 footers. And then you got smoke and alarm, 10-year battery. Our clearance section, you got a drill for 75 down from 149. And then you got some Mother's products from car washes and wash and wax and all those. So Simple Green Max and some more detailers. All right, you got a 30-degree Framing nailer. That is the $25. That's for the extended capacity magazine, and you got this job site radio. So for the mag, it's not bad because it's down from 99, so it's pretty good. You got a drill. It looks like a hammer drill for 75, down for 149. You got a router for 85, and then the other one didn't have a price. That's the S Fuel, and then this compressor is down to 179. It is a flexible advantage, made in the USA with global materials. You got 6.5 track saw from Ryobi, $200. And then these guys, if you guys got apartments, you guys got sheds or something, you need to put a key on. Well, here you go. There's a whole bunch on clearance here. $6. And actually, our video deleted, guys. Somehow our video media stuff did not make it into the computer, and it turned out that it deleted all the videos, so I had to show up to another store and make a video for you guys. That's unfortunately. But anyways, we got this one for $449 down from $549. This is a 21 inch mower. 108 down from 119. This is a different store, by the way, if you guys didn't notice. You got a chainsaw here for $249. I believe this is another clearance section. You got a rigid radio, and then you got a 2 amp hour 12 volt battery for 28 down from 54. You get an adapter plate for the Tough System 2.0, $23. So if you guys got Tough System, make sure you guys get one of those because compatible with the T-Stack and the Craftsman versus stack. Alright, you got a reciprocating saw, 119. 2 batteries and charger, 126. Then you got this XR drill. This one's down to 126 down from 179. And then you have the X-Lock 171 down from 189. Definitely do not buy that one unless it's a much lower price. So I'll show you guys a hack right now in just a few minutes. You got a 6 and 12 volts charger for $29. And then you got a rear handle circular saw 40 volts, $449. And $449 for the welder, 125 weld pack from Lincoln. You got a 4-piece combo from Bridget, $344. And then they had this big section here with the buy one get one free from the Makita, 40 volts. They're trying to push this line. You got some good stuff here, especially with this $2.99. We get two free batteries. So total of 4 batteries for $2.99. And then you got these sockets, which I do love a lot. I do a lot of you guys' testing with those sockets. You got some working gloves here. Firm grip. Kind of like a disposable, polyurethane work glove. Alright, so this one is buy one get one free at the Lowe's, I believe. And yes, I'm saying we're doing a Home Depot video, but I'm saying Lowe's. I do not care if we're doing what brand or what store we're doing, but trying to get you guys the best deals. But if you guys go to the Lowe's.com and you guys search the DWS 779, which is the miter saw, you guys are able to find that miter saw. Buy one get one free right now for $4.99 or $3.99, something like that. I can't remember exactly off my top of my head, but you do get, of course, a miter saw stand. So that's a really good deal on that one. So definitely check that one out. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the rest of the stuff. So $24.97 and $34.97 for the 2-pack of 12 and 10-inch blades. These are definitely worth it, guys. If you guys have a few projects, even if you're a pro, these are great to stock up on. All right, so $149 your choice here on the left, and then you got $249 and $199 there on the right. I believe you get a free battery with those. Yeah, get this free. A 2.5 high output battery. So pretty good deal on those. And then that is the battery you're going to get for free. And there to the left, you got the 25-footer magnetic tape measures, Milwaukee's. Very, very clear, easy to see. And then it is labeled on the back, on the bottom. And you got $39.97 for the whole dozer 8-piece. That's actually not bad. Definitely check out that one out. I do have a few of these and they do work really well. $87. Now this one's pretty pricey. I don't know why it's pretty pricey, but it's $87. 15-inch surface cleaner. And then you got a detail sander, $47. And for $59. All right, so let's go over some of the highlights here, some of the best deals, some of the best gifts you guys could give out. Do not buy this at $199. Usually it's hackable at around $120. So do not buy this at $199. Wait for a hack. It's very interesting what they did with this one though, because you are pretty much can carry this and it's ready to pump. You don't have to set it up. You don't have to do anything. Just put in the battery and you're good to go. All right, so $69.97 for that flash headlamp, and you get a free hard hat, and you are able to hack it. $14.97 for the sunshade, and then you got the hard hat there. That is a sunshade. So here in Arizona, you need that. All right, so $49.88 for the Impact Duty 90-piece bit set. Now this one, somebody cut off the cardboard, so we are able to see inside. We got a bunch of 1-inch bits, some 2-inch bits, and some extension bits there on the top. If you guys do see, that's very interesting what you get with this. Some more 1-inch bits, bit holder, and some nut drivers there to the some nut drivers. Pretty good deal on those. All right, so you got the safety vest and some gloves, $14.97 each. The safety vest does include some safety glasses, and then you got the gloves there at the bottom. I really like those gloves. They're really nice. $229 for the hatchet. $179 for the 8 amp hour and 6 amp hour battery. Or 3 amp hour battery, my bad. It's not a 6. Alright, so that's what it looks like from this section here. There's got a few boxes there for some drills. You got $29.88 for the 2-pack of 3000 lumen rechargeable lights. This is has 4 modes. Try me. It's pretty interesting. And then you got the Ryobi. So you buy the top kit for $199, get 2 free tools. Buy the bottom kit, it's already sold out. Probably online you'll be able to get it. For $99 you get a free tool. So definitely Ryobi does have one of the some of the tools that other name brands do not have, like that multi-inflator. They do have all sorts of tools, caulking guns and all that. But definitely, if you can't find it on your yellow or red tools, you are able to find it on your green tools. Alright, so you got a 3-pack of aluminum flashlights, 225 lumen, or the headlamps there. Alright, so you buy that $3.99, get yourself one free tool, and you buy, I believe it's $4.99, get yourself 2 free tools. It's already sold out. And then the $179, 2 batteries charger, get you one free tool, and then the same thing with the 2 batteries. They did lower the price on one of these. The $4.99, I believe we'll see that in a second. But yeah, they did lower the price on that one, and that one gets 2 free tools. And then here to the right, you get the 4-pack of batteries, $149, or the 2-pack of 3s, $199. And then you have the ratchet for $199, or the oscillating tool for $99, which is a really good deal on that one. They actually lower the price on this one. This one's the Flex Bolts 3-tool combo kit. This one's down to $3.99, plus you get the free tools, 2 free tools. That is a killer deal on that one, guys. Definitely check it out. That's a really good deal. Getting a total of what, five tools for that price. $3.99 will get you 2 free tools. $1.99 will get you 1 free tool, which is the cheapest. This is $179 with the 2 batteries charger, get you 1 free tool. And then they got the drill and impact kit for $359. They lower the price on this one as well. So $379. This one will get you some free tools as well. It is the top tier on this one. And then you got the 2 batteries and charger for the Makitas. This is $199. This is the cheapest kit you guys could get and get a free tool. So definitely jump on those. $16.97 for the 3-pack of lockback utility knife, like a fastback style. That's not bad if you got 3 toolboxes or 3 people to give them out to. $9.97 for the 3-piece folding key set. I personally do like these instead of the other one, the arm. Pretty decent quality if you guys look at closely. You got the numbers, they are labeled. Same thing with these, they are labeled, and these are hex. And then you got metric and SA. So definitely check it out. Lots of good deals on these. These I'm not necessarily a fan of. I usually end up losing them and stuff like that. And they do have a really nice case, but still. $24.88 for the 2-piece tool bag combo. This is great if you got an electrician's kit and a plumbing kit for the house, or carpenter or whatever, or drywall. So if you got, want to separate your same thing with this one. This was a really nice tote. You can carry a lot of tools in here. It does not have a cover or anything, or it does not have Velcro on the top. It just said open like that. Sits open like that. It does have some pockets there. Really small pockets though. Another small pocket on this side. It is Velcroed. And then a zipper there. So $19.97 for the 46-piece stubby set. This is great for a motorcycle or smaller vehicle side by side. Just to have as an emergency situation. And then you got some bits there. Some sockets and a driver. Now this is a big kit. I believe is a 22-piece. Now this one was $29.99. However, this one's 14 piece. This includes some stubbies. It is $14.88. Much better than the other one. I don't know if they're gonna have a good sale on the other one. However, on the Black Friday they had these out. This is a 2 battery, and plus they do include the mounting system and the battery rack, plus those 2 5-amp-hour batteries, I believe, for the price of $169. Definitely check it out, guys. Make sure you guys double check the price on that one. It might be lower. $9.98 for the 16-inch tool bag. This is actually a pretty nice tool bag. Remember what I said? Electricians, the plumbing, the drywall kits. So all those little kits, make sure you guys keep them organized. And if you got a small job around the house, you pick up the bag and you already have everything in there. That's the way I like to keep my tools. If you work around the house and stuff. All right, so $79 and $69 for the vacuum. Both of them are kits. And then you got a 4-amp-hour starter kit for $126, one's $179. That's it right there. So 4-amp-hour battery, and it's a max output battery. All right, these are on sale, or the new lower price. So $171 for the quick lock angle grinder. And the one with the AFT is $180. And then you get a free starter kit with the 4-amp-hour battery. These are hackable, guys. So definitely check it out. Lots of good deals on those. $169 for this 4-drawer cabinet. Now this one did have a dent there, so I'm pretty sure somebody's getting a good discount on this one. You can probably... And then we got the miter saw again, guys. Don't forget about the miter saw. You guys, I don't know if Home Depot is able to price match it or not, but definitely check it out, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.